welcome to Bebe Fabric Studio. Today we will be making these adorable fabric bunnies. First, let's go over the materials you will need to make your bunnies. To start, you will need a bunny template. We made our own and we uploaded it to our Facebook page. We did include a link below so that you can access this template as well. You're going to need scissors or pinking shears. We used regular scissors with our bunnies. These buttons are optional. You can use them to embellish your bunnies. In our case, we used ribbon to decorate them. You'll need pom-poms as well. We're stitching these on the back of our bunnies to use as their tails. This is the ribbon that we used to decorate our bunnies. And you will, of course, need fabric to make your bunnies. All you'll really need if you're making just a few bunnies is one fat quarter piece. This will allow you to make about 3 bunnies. We used these 4 different prints using a fabric bundle from Bebe Fabric Studio. You're also going to need stuffing to stuff the inside of your bunny. We decided to use fabric scraps for our bunnies. So the first step is to cut out our bunnies. To do this, we started off with a fabric piece measuring 6 by 21 inches. Next, we folded this piece in half with the right sides facing out. Next, you will take your bunny template and place it on top of the fabric. You can trace around it or tape it down. Once you do this, you can go ahead and cut out your bunny shapes. You should end up with 2 of them, like this. The next step is to stitch together your 2 bunny shapes. So you are going to put them on top of each other with the wrong sides facing each other. So your fabric pattern should be facing out on both sides. If you'd like, you can pin your bunnies together before stitching them. I did this and found it to be easier for me. So now you will go to the sewing machine and we're going to do a zigzag stitch all around the bunny except for the bottom part. So the opening where the legs are, you will leave that unstitched. Here is what our bunny looked like after we stitched it, and here is the opening at the bottom that we left unstitched. This is where you will put the stuffing in. So at this point, you can go ahead and start stuffing your bunny through that opening that we left at the bottom. Once you are done doing this, you can go ahead and stitch the bottom and close it up. This is what our bunny looked like after we stuffed it and stitched the opening at the bottom. Next, we took our ribbon and we made a simple bow around the bunny's neck. This is where you can use a button to decorate your bunny instead if you prefer. Finally, we can attach the pom-pom tail onto the back of our bunny. We did this using a needle and thread. Here is what the pom-pom tail looked like once we were done attaching it. So we're all done making our bunnies. As you can see, we made several different ones. We used different fabric prints. They look really cute together this way. These bunnies make a great gift. They're great for kids, adults. In general, they're just a lot of fun to make. You can really use your creativity with them. So all of the fabric that you saw today in our video, the ribbon, as well as the buttons that we showed, these can all be purchased at Bebe Fabric Studio. We've also included a link below in our description to our shop. Please subscribe to our videos. We will be making more fun, easy to follow projects. Thank you for watching.